In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background colors in Power BI Desktop. Changing the background is a quick way to make your reports cleaner, on-brand, and easier to read. I'll walk you through the exact steps, explain what each option does, and share a few tips to keep things consistent across your pages. First, open your report and navigate to the specific page whose background you want to change. If your report has multiple pages, make sure you're on the one you want to update so the change applies in the right place. A helpful tip here: click on an empty area of the canvas so no visual is selected. That ensures you're adjusting the page settings, not a chart or a card. Next, look to the right side of the interface and find the Visualizations pane. There, switch to the Format Page tab. Depending on your version, this is the tab that controls page-level appearance settings rather than formatting for individual visuals. If you don't see it, double-check that nothing on the page is selected. Now, locate the wallpaper option. This is where you set the background that sits behind your report canvas, filling the entire page area. It's especially useful if you want a color that extends beyond the main canvas to the page edges. If you're aiming to color only the canvas itself, you'll see a separate option called Page Background in some versions. But today, we're focusing on wallpaper as directed. Click on the color swatch for wallpaper and choose your background color. You can pick from the preset palette for quick, consistent choices that align with Power BI's theme colors. Presets are great if you want something that looks good right away without tweaking. If you need precise control, select more colors. Here, you can enter exact RGB values or a hex code to match brand guidelines or design specs. Hex codes start with a pound symbol and use 6 characters, like a mix of numbers and letters, for a perfect color match. If there's a transparency slider available, you can adjust it to subtly blend the background with the page, helping visuals stand out without being distracting. That's all there is to it. After you pick your color, your page background updates instantly. If you're working across multiple pages, repeat these steps for each one to keep your report consistent. And remember, you can always undo changes if you want to compare options. With just a few clicks, your Power BI page will look polished and professional.